possible to bounce a raw egg without breaking it? Can matter act as both a solid and a liquid? Why does mixing baking soda and vinegar cause a bubbly reaction? Engage readers in key science concepts using easy and fun kitchen science experiments in Science Experiments in the Kitchen from the Child's World. In this series, STEM concepts are broken down and explained with simple text, colorful photographs, and step-by-step instructions for completing experiments. Learn about atoms and molecules, freezing points, and dissolution while making ice cream without a machine, or solvents, solutes, and solutions while making slime. Informative captions supplement the text, while a table of contents, a phonetic glossary, and an index support emerging readers. Sources for further research provide a venue for curious minds to extend their learning beyond the books. This engaging series is perfect for young scientists and hands-on learners. Whether erupting a volcano or making a bouncy ball, readers will enjoy doing simple experiments and learning the science behind how things work in Science Experiments in the Kitchen from the Child's World.